Hello everybody, it's Techie Womanistic here, and today we're doing episode 2 on how to make a website. And in this episode, I am going to show you how to add color to your font and your background, and how to add a picture to your background, a certain picture, okay? And first, make a new folder, like I did here. Make a new folder and put your HTML file in there, okay? And make sure you open up your notepad with that HTML file. Okay, and open up your browser. Voila. And I'm gonna close out of that. Now, what we'll start out with first is adding color to your font. Go to the beginning of whatever paragraph you want. You can do this with titles too, but I'm not gonna do it right this second. But go to the beginning of whatever paragraph you want. Open, instead of calling it a bracket, I'm calling it a tag, and put in font. Come on. T color. Whoops. Equals. When your quotations, I'm gonna put in red. Close. Now go to the end of that paragraph. Open your bracket / font. Okay. Save. And reload tab. I don't know why I have two of them open. And voila, now you got that paragraph all red. Alright. Now if you want to add a background to a certain color, go to where it says your body, open body, not this one down here, not that one. It's this one up here where it says body. Just put in space, BG color equal quotation. I'm putting gray. Control S or go to file save, Control R for reload, and now we have a nice gray background to a website. Okay, now that's a certain website to where if you want a certain color of red or a certain color of pink, a certain color of whatever, I'm gonna put in that certain website in the description below. I'm not connected right now. I'm not connected online. You see down here, I am not connected. It says right there, wireless networks all available though. I cannot find my network though, so yeah. Alrighty, I'll put in that certain website in the description below, and we're gonna be adding a certain picture to a background. Now I got a certain picture. I'm gonna try to add my YouTube background. Okay, and I am now gonna plug in my USB drive. Let's give it a second to come up. There we go. Open folder to view files. And I got a folder in here, and this is my nice USB drive. And I am going to... Where's that folder? Ah, here we go. Womanistic wallpaper and YouTube background. Now, you see all these pictures I have? These are all for making my YouTube background and my little wallpaper I had from my last video. But I am gonna open this one. And I'm gonna copy this into my folder. It is copied. Now I'm gonna close out of that. Now if we open this folder, now you see the images in there. Now, copy whatever the name of the image is. Okay. I'm gonna minimize. Now go to your notepad, and now where it says BG color equals gray in your body, just erase that and put background. Oh, oopsies. There we go. Background equals quotations, and just paste that in. Quotations again. And save. You gotta make sure you have your background. I made that mistake before. Instead of putting ground, I put round. Equals quotations, name of the file, .jpg, quotations again, close your tag, save, and reload. Look at that. It's not exactly the same, but that's awesome. This might be just because of the certain computer I'm using. But that is awesome. I have to see if I can fix that a little bit later. See if it's possible to even. I will show you how to also make a YouTube background like this later. And I'm gonna change the font color of my title. Not there. See H1 align. There we go. Font color equal quotations white close quotations close tag. I'm gonna go to the end of this. Just font close tag. This is not exactly what my website's gonna be looking like. This is just an example for you guys. Posted by Womanistic. Font color equal quotations white. Close tag. Go to the end of this. Slash font. No, wait, let's leave that there. Slash erase the slash font. Go to the end of this and put slash font. Wait, so we have a tag there. There we go. Save and reload tab. There we go. Now at least you can see. Now I'm gonna show you how to add like an image from Google Images. Okay. I can't connect. I'm an idiot. It's okay, guys. I make mistakes sometimes. I always forget stuff. But let's say I have an image. I should have an image here. Let's say I wanted to use a World of Warcraft image. I'm not going to steal them, though. I'm just going to give you an example. I'm going to go to WoW Wallpapers. I want to go for like a black background. I got like a bunch of them in here. I love World of Warcraft, if you look at my other channel. And I'm going to pick a certain image. Let's see. This doesn't look bad. Copy. Paste. Save. Okay, see, this doesn't work sometimes. Let's see. ENV, is that right? Let me try a different picture. This will happen, alright? Images would not work for some reason. It has happened to me before. I'm not gonna put that same image, I'm gonna try a different one. And this might be the certain wallpaper too. Let me try that one. Copy. Do that again. Copy. I'm gonna minimize this time. Go to Notepad. Let's paste our picture. Save our picture. And reload our tab. See, it's just a certain image, guys, so don't be disappointed if it doesn't work. It's just the image. Okay? And that's a... Alright, yeah, font. Alright, so I'm just gonna change my BG color equal gray. And I'm gonna leave it like that for now, at least so you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go. Alrighty then. Font. Now let's say you want to have a certain font. Go to your right up here where it says format, click your font, and you could just scroll through of whatever font you want. I'm gonna look for a certain one. There it is. I'm gonna copy that. And I'm gonna go up here to where it says Womanistic, and just put a space and just put, give me a second, I need to think. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pause real quick because I do have this in my notes. Alrighty, guys, I apologize about that. But to put in your font, go to wherever you put like your title here, where it says Womanistic Videos, where I put mine, just simply put space, put face equals quotations, and I'm gonna paste in that one font, close quotations. And you do not need to do anything to close it because you have a slash font here that will close it for you. And let us save and let us reload. Look at that. Oh, yes. I totally love that font. It is lovely. And if I want to make this title bigger, I'll show you guys that in another video. And that's it for this video. I did the background color. I did how to do a picture, how to change your font. Let's change this to Arial. If you want to change like this paragraph to Arial, do the same exact thing. Let's put a space, face, equals, quotations, A-R-E. Is that right? I might spell stuff wrong sometimes. I'll check. Nah, it's not showing up, so that's okay. I'll find out. If it doesn't say anything, I think it's A-R-E-I-L, so check it. Yeah, so I spelled it wrong. That's okay. Because Times New Roman is your default font. Alrighty, so that's it guys for this video. Please make sure you subscribe. And I'll make sure I give you more videos. My next video will be on adding pictures and how to add videos, okay? So please subscribe, leave a like if you want. This has been Tetchy Womanistic out.